Folks, this is the Gripe Daddy here. I want to answer my brother, who just does not get the simplest of things. If you're a municipality and you have no money, there's a reason why you have no money. That's because you made stupid decisions. It's not because you can't get any money. The taxes are being paid and you're taking the money and spending it in places where it shouldn't be spent. Everybody thinks it's all about pension obligations. And it is. But it's not only about that. It's about stupidity and mismanagement of money. That simple. You don't go hiring people for stuff that has absolutely nothing to do with a municipality. They have companies out there that handle this stuff. It should be outsourced. You don't have a guy changing light bulbs making $50,000 a year when you can have a guy come in and do it for $20 an hour and it's the end of the story. You just don't do it. You don't have guys cleaning windows. Same thing. You don't have cooks in schools that provide terrible food, putting them in the pension system and all that other stuff. People say, oh, it's the same thing as cops and firemen and teachers. Okay. Hey, no, it's not, moron. It's not the same. We are a system based on protection, based on safety, and based on education. Do I believe that some of those positions have been absolutely abused? 1,000,000%. And when I decide to run this country, I will make sure that every single person that gets a dollar deserves it. And I'm not talking about the guy that go, ooh, my leg hurts. Ooh, I'm going to take a workers' comp and, make $75 a year tax-free with Benny's and then go get a fucking job that is paying me another $100. Not happening under Daddy's watch. The difference is, it's positions that are created just to have, hey, we have a lot of jobs here. Hey, we're making jobs. No. The creation of jobs is the stupidity that has gone on here with our money. People decide what they want. They want safety. They want protection. They want good education. They want their garbage picked up. That's a perfect example of stuff where, hey, you could privatize, and a lot of people have privatized garbage. I'll tell you right now, you could do it. Do it tomorrow. Point is, you have to weigh the odds of if it's worth it or not. And my point is, nobody's weighing the odds. It's, okay, we need somebody, go hire them. Put out a thing, $50,000 a year plus benefits. And nobody's thinking about, wow, how much is that really costing? Nobody is sitting down and looking at the cost. I mean, not now, but years down the road. The commitment of somebody that's just, hey, come on in and cook, is a commitment for life. If you don't know the difference, then you're as dumb as the people running this country. Daddy out.